Hello and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen, Malaysian food and beyond. This week's recipe, Sardine Varuval, is a quick, easy and tasty recipe made with tinned fish. With a long shelf life, tinned fish is a must-have pantry staple that comes in handy on busy nights and also during lockdowns like the ones that we are all going through now. A versatile ingredient, you can make many dishes with tinned fish. Sardine Varuval is just one of them. The ingredients are listed in the description box below, so shall we start cooking? The ingredients I have for the Sardine Varuval are 1 can of tinned sardines with a net weight of 425 grams, 1 medium onion chopped, 4 cloves of garlic also chopped, 2 stalks of curry leaves, half a teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. I have a masala mix here made out of 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon fish curry powder and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. You can use lime juice instead. 1/8 teaspoon fenugreek powder. The other ingredients are oil and salt to taste. I have a frying pan on medium heat with 4 tablespoons of cooking oil heating in it. Now waiting for the oil to heat up to put in the mustard seeds. Mustard seeds going in now. Let's wait for the oil to heat up sufficiently and the mustard seeds to start crackling. The mustard seeds are beginning to crackle. Let's just help them along. The chopped garlic is going in now. Let's fry the garlic for about half a minute. It's been about half a minute. I don't want the garlic to burn, so I'm adding the onion now. Adding the curry leaves to the frying ingredients. Let's fry the onions for a bit before we add the fennel seeds. Let's add the fennel seeds now. The sweet licorice taste of the fennel seed adds a lot of flavor to Indian curries. Continue to fry the fennel seeds until they release their fragrance and flavor. The onions are translucent. Let's reduce the flame and add the masala powder. The chilli powder, fish curry powder and turmeric powder going in now. Let's fry this powder for a minute. Keep stirring to avoid the powder getting burned. The masala powder is releasing its aroma, so let's add in the tinned sardines. I'm increasing the flame to medium to fry the sardines. The sardines are beginning to cook now. Let's wait for the gravy to reduce before we break up the sardines. The gravy is reducing. Now let's break up the sardines. I've not removed the bones from the sardines because the bones are a source of calcium. Now that the sardines are nicely broken up, let's fry this for 4 minutes. The sardines are becoming a dry fry now. A varuval is a dry dish, so there must not be any liquid in this dish. Adding salt to taste now. Not too much because the tinned sardines already have salt in them. Let's keep frying this until it becomes really dry. The flame is still on medium. Just look at these sardines reducing into a delicious dry fry. The sardines are now at a consistency that I'm happy with, so I'm now going to add the next ingredient, that is the fenugreek powder. Fenugreek powder going in. Let's stir to combine. Fenugreek seeds are a staple in an Indian spice box and are frequently used in Indian seafood dishes, imparting a maple syrupy flavor to the dish. The fenugreek was also used in ancient times to embalm dead bodies. Apparently, fenugreek seeds were found in King Tutankhamun's tomb. How do you like that? It's been a minute. I'm going to add the last ingredient now, that is the lemon juice. Lemon juice going in now. I'm turning off the flame and giving this a final stir to bring everything together. Sardine Varuval, spicy dry fry tinned sardines. A versatile dish for a busy night. You can eat it with white rice or any Indian unleavened bread. Also delicious as a sandwich filling, it will supplement your lunchbox ideas. Make it, eat it, and most of all, enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week with a new video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.